Hello, welcome back to Forbit. In this video, we'll be catching up on some of the repairs. They're cosmetic, but they're not even something that people are going to see. So, I mean, it's not entirely necessary, but if we want to ensure we have a really comprehensive repair, then that's what we're going to do. In this video, we'll be completing the fix to the tear in the front crash support. Then we'll move on to the dent, crack kind of thing in the frame, which I'll explain more in a second. After this, we'll fix up the radiator housing, and finally, we'll repair the marks on the A-pillar frame thing that I made when I was trying to get the windshield out. Normally, if you have a frame to a car, what you do is, if it has damage, like rust, it has a dent, or a crack, then what you do is you cut out that area, and then you weld in a new piece to that area. Now, normally, if a frame is cracked or damaged or whatever in any way, the whole reason you'd want to replace it is not only for aesthetics, but also because it would compromise the structural rigidity of the frame, and that's bad. Luckily for us, however, that's not our scenario. The dent and crack were caused by the wheel smacking the frame in the accident, not by excessive stress on the frame, which compromises the structural rigidity of it. So although normally we would have to address this area by welding in a new piece, we could actually just get away with not doing anything at all and just leaving it because nobody would see it. However, that's a little unethical, and we want to make sure that the repair is as comprehensive as possible and that no corners are cut. So in our situation, we sealed up the crack and dent to make sure that it would never expand, even though it doesn't have any stress actually on it. Then on top of that, we'll be applying a metal filler from the Bondo brand. Not Bondo itself, but it's a product from the Bondo brand, and that'll be to fill in any pinholes, any mistakes in the JB weld, to make it one smooth surface, and then I'll sand it down and paint it. And so now that that's taken care of, enjoy the rest of the video. So it is straight. So it's straight. It's just you have slight curvature here, but other than that, I mean, it feels relatively straight actually. And from a distance, it actually looks pretty good.
Michelle and Gone and said it to song. Now I miss started on the weekdays from April to May. Parse apart a troubled heart from any train. Sing about it in LA. And clouds in the rear view. You start humming along to the first verse of your favorite song that you quote each day with the words all wrong. So call me when the world looks bleak. I love you, but it's hard to believe. With every day we'll start to see. The rest is metamodernity. With aggressive charm, it's humid in the Midwest from June to July. All beneath the pinkish sky from the wildfires, which mantle the horizon line. From the outset, it's been hard to tell why we feel this down when it all bodes well. So call me when the world looks bleak. I love you, but it's hard to believe. With every day we'll start to see. The rest is metamodernity.
Time goes slowly, and that will change the way I feel about it now. Please forget our last goodbye. It could be working if we try. Back for good, and I will let this go. You mind as long as I can take it slow. You know I want you all around. Back for good. I know I'll let this go. You mind as long as I can take it slow. You know I want you all around. You turn my life into something that I can't describe. No words for what it's like to be hurt and to be loved. I guess I haven't paid the cost. Back for good, and I will let this go. You mind as long as I can take it slow. You know I want you all around. Back for good, and I will let this go. You mind as long as I can take it slow. You know I want you all around.
And also, I know what you were talking about.
dear.